I wish I could show you guys my environment right now. It's so bold of me and it speaks of so much growth. Oh, I need to clear my head. Come to work with me today as a freelancer. Hi guys, welcome back again to another week. We made it with another vlog this week on Life Lately, and yeah, my name is Hilda Ideki, and if you're new here, please do not make it your last. Ensure to like, engage, comment, turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos whenever I upload. That being said, let's get into the video. I just noticed that I've not been wearing earrings. Yeah, but I'm going to swim, so okay, so this is my outfit. Let me show you guys a little bit. I'll be taking my speaker with me. It's very important because I need to clear my head, my tripod, and then my swimwear. So see you guys there. Bye. I really needed to clear my head, and funny story, if you had told me last year that I would be stepped outdoors, vlogging and speaking. See, vlogging is another thing because I could position my camera where people wouldn't really know if you're vlogging, in a way, kind of. But speaking and vlogging, I wish I could show you guys my environment right now. It's so bold of me and it speaks of so much growth. I'm still tense a little bit. My whole personality is not really coming out at this point, but I'm glad gotten to this point, and I'm so glad for you guys following through my journey. And I want to give a shout out to one of my most consistent viewer on YouTube, Epiok Abasi. Yeah, I hope I got the name right. Shout out to you and thank you for the support. for supporting this stranger and see you at the top because I'm just fidgeting, but guys, learn from me, don't fidget. Whew. See, this is the best time to swim. And see, I did tell you.
Come to work with me to be a freelancer. So we're here. I'll be showing you guys around. So stay with me.
Go ino kako, eu go ino kako.